I've been driving a Lincoln since long before anybody paid me to drive one. I didn't do it to be cool. I didn't do it to make a statement. I just liked it.
Hello YouTube, this is the Lincoln Town Car Ultimate Edition, and I'm going to tell you why you've never heard of it. This story begins in the late 60s when Lincoln started putting Cartier clocks in every Lincoln. By the 70s they had 4 designer edition cars. By the 80s we got JBL sound systems. In the 90s, we got the golf bag swallowing Jack Nicklaus edition. By the 2000s, we had the Cartier model back. We also had Alpine audio systems. And in 2004, it all ended. In 2004, Lincoln decided to save money by ending their affiliation with Cartier and Alpine. The Ultimate was the high-range model. It was the most expensive model you could buy. They were nearly $50,000 base price. So although a lot of the equipment was equal to the Cartier model, the radio was rebranded and the clocks no longer said Cartier. So this is my car, the Abe Lincoln, and I'm just showing you the interior here, and you can clearly see that they no longer have Cartier on the seats embroidered. It does retain the wood steering wheel and the center console. But you can clearly see the clock just says Lincoln. And the radio no longer says Alpine, but they invented their own brand called Soundmark. The dash looks the same with a fake plastic walnut, and the gauges are the same as the 2003 Cartier. And the fuel economy is the same with a 4.6 liter V8 engine. So the high-end models on the town car were always designated by the wood steering wheels in the 2000s. And you got some interesting radio control, fan control buttons on the right, and on the left are your typical cruise control buttons. Okay, I'm just going to jump out and show you the engine. In 2004, all models had the dual exhaust and 239 horsepower, same horsepower as the P71 police motor. The Town Car Ultimate did have some popular features like auto dimming, heated rearview mirrors, backup sensors, power opening and closing trunk, electronic keypad, awesome ditch lights. Ultimately, Lincoln killed the Ultimate Edition after 1 year. And to add insult to injury, it wasn't the only Ford Ultimate model. Mercury had an Ultimate Edition in 2004 as well. It was $20,000 less and had nearly the same amount of equipment. And that is why nobody remembers the Lincoln Town Car Ultimate.